2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Tom Petty, You're So Bad. Okay, so we got 3 parts. We got the verses. We got the pre-chorus. Alright, song is in A minor, standard tuning. Let's go. A minor, 1, 2, 3. We got F sharp over D, or D with F sharp in the bass. That's 2 low E string, 2 G, 3 B, G major. 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 'Starts just with A minor. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. A minor, F sharp, G, A minor. A minor, F sharp, G. A minor, F sharp, G to A minor. A minor, F sharp to G. Okay, that's the verses. We got the pre-chorus. E minor, C, G, D. E minor. 1, 2, C. 1, 2, 3. G, D, E minor, C, G, D. Stay longer on D. Second time we stay longer on D before we hit the chorus. D. And then chorus G, D, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, D, C. 2, 3, 4. G, D, C. G, D, C. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Back to verse. Chorus. E minor, C, G, and D. E minor, C, G, and stay longer. D, C. Now faster. C, guitar solo. Pre-chorus, start singing. Ah. that going. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 down. All right, let's review everything before we end the lesson. Verses: A minor, F sharp, over D, G, A minor, F sharp, G. Pre-chorus: E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C, G, D. Stay longer there, second time. And then chorus: G, D, C, G, D, C, G, D, C, G, D, C to D. Cool. Awesome song. Love Tom Petty. Always did. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks very much for tuning in. Be safe.